Hi, my name is Nahid Siddiqui, and I'm going to be going over Viber, the communication app. And I'm first going to be starting off with how to set it up. So, first, we're going to this is the front main page after you've downloaded it from the App Store. You're going to click Continue. You're going to enter in your phone number, and so that they can confirm that this is your number, they're going to send you a 6-digit code. Once you get it, you can enter it in. This is asking if Viber can access your contacts. Ideally, you would say yes, so that you don't need to manually enter in your contacts. Yes, let it send notifications and access your microphone. Now I'm just going to be entering my name and birthday, and I'm choosing a random birthday. And this is the main page. And so if we go here to select compose, I did select to import all my contacts, so it probably did not refresh yet. So I'm just doing a quick search to see if my name is populating, and it is not, but in the later video it will. Okay, this is the settings, and this is where you're going to go to get to configure most of your Viber settings. So one thing that I like about Viber is that it is very simple. So as you can see right here where it says chats, I am going to select the contact that I wanted imported, and so my name was able to show up. So I went ahead and clicked test. Now, if you pay attention to those two double check marks, as this would signify that the other person has not read the message when it is grayed out. Now it just turned purple, and as you can see on the top underneath the name, it says online, and the person just responded. So that's how you can identify whether a person has read your message. You can send a photo if you'd like. You can flip the camera, take a picture, send it. And as you can see, the person read it. You can select a photo that you've already taken a picture of. These are recent, so these are little cool fun stickers and GIFs that you can send to the person and just make the conversation more, I guess, more illustrative. And you can also send a letter mail, I guess. You can write whatever you want and then send it, very similar to what iMessage has. And then this right here is sending a voice memo. So if you slide it up and lock it, you can record it. This is me stopping it, and then you can play your message or you can send it. I went ahead and deleted it, and I'm doing another recording, locking it, and I didn't stop it. I immediately sent it. And so then you can switch from recording to listening, and then you can listen to your voice memo or the voice memo that the person sent to you. Now to continue, I'm going to call the person. Now it's ringing, and that person picked up and then they hung up. And so now I'm going to do a video call. And when you pick it up, you can see it's pretty similar to FaceTime. And going out of that message tab, if you go to the call tab right in the center, you will see that I'm selected onto this specific contact. But if you get out of that, you can see all the contacts in your phone that you went ahead and imported. You can select it, and then you can either invite them if they don't have a Viber, or you can give them a call or message them. So very similar to if you were to go through your phone. Okay, now I'm going to be going over the settings within Viber. So if we go through here at the top, you can edit your information, and then you can also use your Facebook details, but I recommend keeping that separate. You can invite friends, so you can just select whoever you'd like. You can get free stickers by adding your email. This, I'm not going to get into too much detail. Sticker market, not going to get into too much detail. Add contact, you can add a contact based on their QR code. You can scan it, or you can show your QR code and someone else can scan their phone and get your contact. settings. So within this settings here, you can access everything within your account. So you can do a Viber backup, and it'll show you how to back up your chat history, and it'll give you some visual tutorials. I'm not going to go too much into Viber Out subscriptions. This is what purchases consist of. Desktops and tablets. If you access Viber on an iPad or another tablet, or if you access it on your actual computer, then you can sync your messages and then you can continue by going so here. If you change the phone number on your phone, you can update it within Viber. And this message is basically saying that when you change your number, they're going to get notified, and you can just enter in your new number. And if you want to deactivate your account, you just enter in your number and then click deactivate. Notifications, you can configure however you want these notifications to be. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can just go through this. Calls and messages, you can clear your message history if you'd like. You can also allow incoming calls, or you can disable it. And by doing that, you can just toggle it left. Media, save to gallery, it basically just says photo messages will be automatically saved to your camera roll. So if someone sends you a message and it happens to be a photo, instead of you needing to go in and manually save it, this will allow the photo to be saved automatically. Keep media forever, so this will allow that photo that the person sent to you to stay there and not delete. And everything else is, we don't really need to go into that. Appearance, you can turn it into dark mode. You can change the background colors. This is just for your decorating purposes. And then general, this is more network related. So that's everything within your settings, and then how you can configure it. And that pretty much completes Viber.